Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to show you guys about Triple Tools. Yeah, Triple Tools basically it's a website that is using flashing um, fake emails of payment methods. So let me just give you a try. So you can feel free and join the channel. Now once you join the channel, you're going to get free access code to use Triple Tools forever. It is free, it's not paid. But if you need source code, the source code for this website is kind of paid. So let's get started. So we're not going to join the channel. So we click here. So you can see how it looks like. So next thing we're going to do now, we log in. I already have an account with Tribute already. You can just create your account and use the access key. So we're going to use user. So this is my own account. Then click on sign in. So we're in. You can see select any wallet you want, feel like selecting. And you know the most amazing thing about Tribute is that you can see it has multiple wallets, and if there is no existing wallet in Tribute, you can actually add it yourself, right? That's all. This has not been uploaded, the image has not been uploaded, so you can go and show you the admin how to do that. So basically you can see now. Let me say for instance I want to send some token. I don't have a token, right? So what I'm going to do, since the developer, so I'm going to click here, type admin. Then I'm going to go to admin. I'm going to generate a token for that. So let me just go back here. Then I'm going to put the password. Then I'll log in. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see it right now how it looks like. Hold on a sec. So we're in the admin already. So basically already we have some active keys, but we're going to just create a new key for this tutorial. So we click this. So this is a 1 month key. We're going to generate just 1 month. So copy the key. This key is free. You can use it. The website is active. So we'll place it here and click verify. So hold on a sec. So it has verified. So we're here already. So the best thing is that the phone version of this thing, it looks nice. Just forget about the text of version. So basically we're going to select token. Means I want to send this. We're going to say $. We're going to say I'm going to say 1,000. Receiving wallet. I'm just going to put anything. Email address. So which email am I going to put? Let me just put this. Receiving right. So you can actually add a custom message if you want to, but I don't buy that for me. So it's really fast that you can add the actual URL. So basically we're going to send now, since we just put the amount. One thing about Tribute is the advantage it has over others is that let me just put any random wallet address. I'll put which email address. Okay, which email address I have here? I have this. Okay, and well, let me just use the same email for sender and receiver, but you can just decide to use anyone. Now you can actually write a custom email. That's one thing, number one. But the most important thing is that you can actually pick a URL for each button for where it will redirect them to. So basically now I feel like, okay, let me just redirect them to somewhere special. Okay, so also my next channel, in my next video I'm going to show you guys something special. Sorry, you guys cannot see this. You just don't want to see it. So I want to. Okay, I think that's what I want to get. So I'm just going to redirect them. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to extract bulk email from Google and also how to send bulk email. So just like I said, I'm just going to redirect them to this. Now click on generate. Now you can see once you click on generate, it's going to generate, it's going to show successful, right? So basically forget about the design, it's kind of look weird. Now let's go to our Gmail. So I'm going to open this Gmail here, right? So by now we should have received the email, but if we haven't, we just have to hold on for a second. Okay, basically you can see now, basically usually I received 2 emails because of one. It is I used both email for withdrawal and deposit. You can see one is for deposit, one is for withdrawal. So one you need to know is that one email should be for deposit and the other one is for withdrawal. So let me confirm the deposits because we are depositing to somebody's wallet. So you can see I received this email from Binance. Your deposit of this blah 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 down. View your dashboard. So I feel like let me view my dashboard. This is my dashboard. I can just view my dashboard. Oh yeah, click on view my dashboard. Takes me to the URL that I uploaded. You can see. So I just have to subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to extract. That's what I want to show you. So basically let me show you guys how to set this up. And remember, this is actually free. You can go to the URL and use if you feel like using, but you know how to get the code, like the passcode to get, or you watch the video and get the passcode because the passcode is going to work. Or basically you can just go to my Telegram channel and go and see it there. So that's aside. Let's continue how to set this up. But the source code, if you need the source code, it's not free, but if you want to use, you can use it for free. So basically let's go to our website, how to set this up. So the first thing first is you need to get your domain and hosting up and running. Maybe you'll not be able to see this thing I'm doing right now, so because it's not relevant. So once you get your domain and hosting up and running, the next thing for you to do now is you're not going to see this also. Okay, you're going to see from here now. Yeah, basically it's the source code. Now basically once you get your source code up and once you get your domain and hosting up and running, the next thing you get, just need the source code, just upload the source code. This is the source code. You can actually DM me on WhatsApp. You can see my number is created to get the source code. And once you don't get the source code, you extract the source code. You're going to get all this file here, right? So the next thing you're going to do is for you to go to this config file, right? This is config file. Hold on a bit. And once you edit the config file, you can see you put your database here. You create a database. Let me show you how you're going to create a database if you don't know how to do that. But I believe every single person should know how to create a database by now. Just come to this place, type your database wizard, click on database wizard, then you type the name of your database, then you just create a database. Don't forget to allow all privileges when creating database. When I mean allow all, let me just type bkjdb. I'm just going to use this as password. Don't worry about this. It's not relevant because I'm not going to use it to do anything. Just create your database. Once you create your database, you can go to your database and import the file that you're going to see. So don't forget to allow all privileges. What I'm talking about. Once you allow all privileges, click on allow all privileges. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to import the file to your database. That's all you just need to do. Let me just go to a PHP admin, just type it there. Now once you go to this PHP admin, you're going to see your database. The database you just created just now. Once you see it, this is the what is there. Okay, this is what I just created now. BJ something. It's because it's empty. You go to click on import, select the file, and import the file and import. That's what you need to do. Once you're done with that, you come back here. You come back here and replace it with all this file here, and you save the file. That is all you just need to do. And once you're done with that, the next thing you need to set up is wait, just set up your mailer. Let me check if I edited something here. So it's not going to affect the code. You don't need to set your mailer. I feel like you know how to create a mailer. Let's create a web mail. Once you don't create a web mail, you're going to see a file called process. Yeah, look at this file called process. Right click, edit the file. And once you edit that file, you come scroll down here. You see, you change the mailer. Finish. That's all. You're not going to see this now because it's private. So once you're done with that, you're good to go. You can just load up your website. You're good to go. Just go to website. You're going to see your website, how good and how beautiful it is. Now another advantage it has is, let me tell you a few things about triple tools. Let me just show you something nice about triple tools. When you go to your admin, now you log into your admin. Right, I want to show you something sweet. Now the thing about triple tools is that it has a lot of templates, right? But in case for future purpose you don't you want to add a new template, but you don't know how to code, so how are you going to do that? So that is where this comes in. You can actually go to this place, website API, no website main settings. I feel like his website API. Okay, not here. Okay, it's not here. You be here. Oh, so you back to the website. Card management. Is it card man? Okay, card management. Thank you. Yeah, so you're doing your card management. So now you can create a new card. Call it MetaMask, or put a particular path for the card. If you don't put any part, just leave it blank. Destination, you can leave it blank. Select what, if it is wallet or exchange your payment, you can leave it anyone payment like bank and the rest. You can put a logo for the card, and you can add the card and upload the logo first, then add the card. Finish. The next thing you need to do now, for you to add the email template for the card, you can just basically select the card. Which card? After adding the card, which of the card? Choose the deposit template and choose the withdrawal template. And remember, these are the terms you're going to use. These are the timestamp, amount, coin, currency, and the rest. These are what you're going to use. Then you click on import. That is all. Once you import, that's all. That is all you need to do. These are the current one you can see. So that's what the advantage about this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned, maybe blessed. Also go to my Telegram channel. You can follow me on Telegram. Follow my Telegram channel. You can interact there. It's not a channel where you cannot interact. You can interact, ask questions, and say anything you want to say. Feel free. Stay tuned. Remember it.